Hello everyone, it's Kathryn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you some dies that I picked up from DIY Stamp Shop. And I created some projects, and some of them I just have cutouts because I haven't made projects with them yet. This is going to be part one of a two-part series from this haul. So the first thing that I got, or that I'm going to show, is this die right here. And no, it doesn't really look like much, but it is a pop-up box that can mail flat. And so it looks like this, and I think it turned out really good. So what comes with it is the box, these lays, like the overlays to decorate the box more, like this, and these boxes right here to decorate the box more. These flowers right here, the stems that hold the flower up. So you can see the stems that hold the flower up, the centers for the flowers. And then there was also a sun in there, but I happen to have a little cloud die in my stash, so I used that, and I used a little clear like acetate or transparency piece, and I just doubled them up together. And I used art glitter glue, which I'm really loving right now, and so that's what I glued it together with, and it's clear. You cannot see the glue. And so then it also comes with this, it comes with like a straight piece, and then it comes with this round piece, or like this hook piece, whatever. And so that's how I did that, is using the hook piece. And then I just used some border dies from my stash. And I used the You and Me paper by Echo Park, I'm pretty sure. And so I just made sure that this die right here went over top of this swan. And then I used a die from my stash right back here. This blue paper right back here. It looks kind of like water because I wanted the back one to be a little bit different. I kind of wanted it to be like the swan was on the water. And then I wanted to use a little bit darker paper to be kind of like, you know, like the ground or whatever. But I didn't want to use like brown. I wanted to use like colorful paper. So I think that this turned out super cute. These hearts came out of this die right here, which is really sturdy. It's a really nice die. It cut the paper really, really nice. And it cut out like this. I cut it out 2 times, so I used the pink ones. So I haven't popped this all out yet. I just popped the hearts out. So that's one of them. And here's the pink ones that I used. But these are just like literally just falling out when I just bend the paper ever so slightly. These just all pop right out. So I know these are just going to come out so easily. So this will have a project in part 2. But look at how beautiful that is. So that's where I got those hearts from. And then this die goes flat like this so that you can put it in Happy Mail. And then it pops back up so that it can sit on somebody's desk or on a bookshelf or wherever. So the die, the box part, is just under 2 inches, and then when it's flat, it is about 3 3/4 inches. So then just the box height is about 2 1/4, but with the flaps up, it's about 4 1/4. I'm sorry, 4 1/8. So that's the size of that. I think that turned out super cute. The next one I have to share is with these tools right here. And I made this card. It's kind of like they're hanging off of these notches right here. And I layered it with foam. And I used like this super manly paper, like all like stuff that reminds me of like garage like stuff. And then, oh, I didn't glue this down yet. And then I just put vellum over top of that so I could be able to, you know, I haven't decided what I'm going to put in here, but I wanted to have it a little bit muted in here. But these dies were really fun to work with. I did layer them a little, I layered them 2 times. So I cut out brown and the silver paper, and I just paper pieced them together, but I did use both parts on the front and the back, if that makes sense, just for sturdiness. And then I just cut out the wrench twice with silver paper, just for sturdiness. So I thought that turned out really cute, and I can use this in a bunch of different ways if I want. I could make a toolbox or whatever. I like having some manly things laying around in case I need to make a manly card. So the next die is these balloon dies, and I haven't made a project with these yet. I just have these cut out, and I can't wait. I have a really cute idea for these. Look at the cute, super teeny tiny one. So these are the sizes. So those are super cute and fun. And this one I'm going to be, I cut out with this, and I'm going to be cutting out some chipboard. Actually, it's like some old cracker boxes, and I think I'm going to be using like some tulle with it and putting some sequins in there. So this is going to be really cute. Stay tuned for this one in part 2. Next one is this bag die. Looks like this. Comes with a handle and some flowers. And it's a flat die to put like on a piece of paper like this. And it even does a little stitching on the handle that I thought was really cute. And then this little envelope like this, but it folds out like that. So isn't that cute? So I'll show you. I did more with it than just that. Here's the die for this, and it comes with like some other stuff, but I didn't use that. I used some stickers from my paper collection. So this is the card that I made with that. And I just used a little bunny from my stash. And she's super cute to put in the bag because I didn't want my bags to be empty. And then here in the other one is a little love letter. So it says, "Love is in the air." And this side has a little heart on it, which where I'm getting all these little cute purple hearts from is from this die that I have so many cute ideas for. I can't wait for part 2. You guys, I had a horrible migraine yesterday and Friday night. It put me behind. Does anyone else suffer from migraines? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys do to deal with them. And these hearts, that's what I put on here. So then you open this up. Oh, and by the way, I cut a glue dot in half just to help hold it all together because I put so many things in this teeny tiny envelope. I used these glue dots right here. These are the easily removable ones. so that you can do stuff like this, like open up an envelope. I'm just careful not to rip the paper. Here's the glue dot. So this again is from the You and Me collection by Echo Park. So then here is how the envelope folds out, and you can see I decorated all of it. It's so cute. Look, so it says You and Me. And this is from the border strip down at the bottom of the paper. And then it folds out. And it's got all these cute little things on it. So it has all these little places that you can put little hearts and stickers and everything. And then it folds back up just like this. Put these flaps back in. It is so cute. Cute little way to put an extra little note in here. And then this peeks right through the handle. Right there as a little kiss. And then that's what that looks like on the inside. So guys, I hope that you liked my haul. I really had a wonderful time working with these dies. Check out my links down below to check out their website. I have all the links down in the description box below. And if you're wanting some art glitter glue or some glue dots, I have those links down below too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to watch part 2.